I know you scroll, don't you dare deny it. Whether it's during those idle moments waiting for the bus or late-night binge sessions, we all find ourselves lost in the endless scroll. Hours slip away as we mindlessly flick through videos, memes, and cat pictures. But what if I told you there's a way to turn that seemingly wasted time into cold, hard cash? Yes, you heard me right. The secret lies in simply watching videos on a certain website. That's right. By tuning into this video, you're about to uncover the ultimate money-making hack that's been taking the internet by storm. Imagine earning money while indulging in your favorite online pastime. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, in this video, I'm about to show you how your scrolling addiction can be your golden opportunity this 2024. But before we start, please like and subscribe. Step 1. There's a new website that's been causing a buzz lately. It's not like those sketchy schemes you've heard about. This one is legit. In fact, it's already paid out over $470,000 to people just like you. What makes this website special? Well, it's super easy to use. By signing up for an account on this exciting website where you can earn money by watching videos. The process is quick and easy, so don't worry if you're new to this. To get started, simply click where it says Register Account. From there, you'll be prompted to select a unique username for your account, enter your email address, and create a password. Once that's done, just check the I am not a robot box and agree to the terms and conditions. Then hit the register button and voila. You're all set. But here's a pro tip. If you prefer a more streamlined sign-up process, you can also create your account using your Gmail or Twitch account. It's as simple as logging in with your existing credentials and gaining instant access to all the earning opportunities this website has to offer. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be greeted with your very own dashboard. Here, you can track your earnings, explore different earning methods, and even customize your preferences. And with over 4.6-star ratings on Trustpilot, you can rest assured that you're dealing with a trustworthy and reliable platform. But perhaps the best part is the flexibility when it comes to withdrawing your earnings. Whether you prefer PayPal, bank transfers, or other payment methods, this website has you covered. And the cherry on top? You only need $2 to withdraw your earnings. Talk about convenience. But here's the best part. You can earn money just by doing what you already do online. Watching videos. That's right, every video you watch puts some extra cash in your pocket. It's like getting paid to chill and enjoy your favorite content. So, whether you're looking to make some extra spending money or save up for something big, this website has got you covered. It's time to turn your downtime into dollars and start earning with ease. Step 2. Now that you're all set up on the website, here's how you can start earning those dollars. Head over to the Earn section and you'll find a bunch of ways to make money. But today, we're focusing on one of the easiest, watching videos. Here's how it works. You'll find a ton of videos to choose from, covering all sorts of topics like gaming, cooking, DIY projects, and more. All you have to do is pick a video, hit play, and watch the money roll in. It's as simple as that, and the best part? You get paid for every minute you spend watching. So, whether you're catching up on your favorite gaming streams or learning a new recipe, you're earning money every step of the way. But wait, it gets even better. You can customize your earnings by choosing videos that pay more per minute. So if you're looking to maximize your earnings, just pick the highest paying videos and watch the cash pile up. So, go ahead. Start watching those videos and watch your earnings grow. With just a few clicks, you'll be well on your way to making money online without breaking a sweat. Step 3. All right, now that we're done with Step 2, here's another opportunity of earning money by watching short, trending video clips. Imagine yourself in a world where you can make money simply by enjoying the latest viral videos. It's like turning your leisure time into a profitable venture. So, how does it all work? First things first, you'll want to grab your trusty smartphone and download the Livestream app. Now, let's talk about the videos themselves. These clips cover a wide range of topics and genres, catering to various interests and preferences. From funny animal antics to heartwarming human stories, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You get paid for every video you watch. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. In addition to earning money for watching videos, you also earn tickets. Think of these tickets as bonus rewards. The more videos you watch, the more tickets you accumulate, boosting your overall earnings. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How much can you actually earn? Well, the sky's the limit. Your earnings depend on factors like the number of videos you watch and the length of time you spend engaging with the content. The more active you are, the more money you can potentially make. But here's the kicker. Watching videos isn't the only way to earn money on this app. You can also explore additional earning opportunities like playing games or completing surveys. There's so much to do. I believe that you can be a millionaire if you have all the time in the world. Kidding aside, there is always something to do for everyone here. I know you've been waiting patiently for me to reveal the name of this money-making website. It's called reward.io. As I mentioned before, this website has over 4.6 star rating in Trustpilot, and it is one of the verified websites there. So, whether you're binge-watching the latest viral videos, competing in a friendly game tournament, or sharing your thoughts through surveys, there are countless ways to earn money online. It's all about seizing the opportunities that come your way and enjoying the process. Step 4. All right, let's dive into the final step, cashing out your earnings and reaping the rewards of your efforts. After all the time you've spent watching videos and stacking up those dollars, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. To withdraw your earnings, simply head over to the withdrawal section of the website. Here, you'll find a couple of handy options to choose from. You can either cash out your earnings in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Think of it as digital money that you can use for online purchases or even convert into cash. Or, if you prefer something more tangible, you can opt for gift cards such as Visa or Amazon gift cards. These can be used to buy all sorts of goodies online, from gadgets to groceries. The possibilities are endless. But here's the exciting part. If you're feeling proud of your earnings and want to share your success with the world, there's an opportunity to do just that. Consider creating a withdrawal-proof video for the website. Gather over 2,000 likes on your video, and you'll have the chance to showcase your earnings journey to others. It's not only a great way to inspire and motivate others, but also a chance to celebrate your achievements and hard work. So, go ahead and cash out those earnings. Whether you choose to convert them into cryptocurrencies or snag some gift cards, one thing's for sure, you've earned it. Congratulations on your success, and here's to many more lucrative opportunities in the future. Well, folks, congratulations. You've reached the end of this money-making video, but the adventure doesn't have to stop here. If you found value in today's video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Now here's a question for you. What do you think will be your most profitable pastime? Whether it's watching videos, playing games, or something entirely different. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, the world of online earning is vast and full of opportunities waiting to be explored. So, seize the moment, chase your dreams, and until next time, remember to dream big and hustle harder.